Ewo Jime Olemboga Kuse. Ewo Jime Olemboga Kuse. Onodowa Olemboga Kuse.
What are you doing here?
I beg you for what I have done.
So after all this, you still have the guts?
Please,
to return to this house.
Please, sir, I'm very sorry. Please, I'm very sorry. Please.
Now I know you are sent to kill me.
Why would you do that? Why would they kill me?
Now I know you are sent to abuse me.
No. I'm not attempting to do that, sir.
Since you want trouble, I'll give you trouble.
Sir, it was a mistake. It was a mistake. Forgive me, sir.
Okay.
I don't want trouble, sir. Please, sir. I'm very sorry, sir. For Christ's sake, please, sir. Please.
Hello? Officer. Good day, sir.
I beg you.
Yeah, I need your attention. Yes, I need some boys. About 2 of them. Right in my house, immediately. Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
Sir, please.
We see trouble today. Look at this idiot. We see trouble today.
I beg, sir. I don't want to trouble. Please, sir. Please, I'm very sorry. Forgive me.
Human being.
Oh, please, sir. Please, I'm very sorry. Please, sir, forgive me. Please.
Yeah, thank you.
So what is the problem?
See this vagabond?
I'm with you.
Roaming around the streets.
I'm listening to you.
And I decided to help him. What he did is to squash my money.
You're one of the suspects in this community.
You almost render me useless. I'm not sure. When we get to my arrest, please.
I move you.
Until I visit the police station.
I beg, sir. Please.
Come on, follow them. Take him away. Take him away.
Please, officer.